வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் we start with a new unit that should be electronics. We start from operational amplifier. Okay, we move on to the straight away to the video. Okay, so in that operational amplifier, that should be important one. We have to know about that the IC 741. What are the functions can do for IC 741? So in that IC 741, there should be 8 pins are there. Okay, up to 1 to 8 pins. We have to see the diagram. So then pin 2 and 3 are the most important. In the 2 and 3 we have to apply the input voltage. So if 2 is the represented as a minus, that is called inverting input voltage. So one of the input voltage we have to give one to the IC number 2. Then 3 is the positive. Then another input voltage we have to apply to the non-inverting input. So that 4 and 7 are the power supplies. Okay, then here 1 and 5 are offset null. So because if you see that, then both the input and output terminals are same voltage, means some of the output voltage we have to get. So at that time we have to use offset null. We have to make it null. Okay, then pin number 8, there should be a no connection. So we have to take the output from the pin number 6. So this is the pin out diagram. Okay, so then 2 and 3 are input voltage, then 4 and 7 power supplies, then 1 and 5 are offset nulls, then 8 no connection, then 6 is the output. Okay, so now we discuss about then what are all the characteristics. Characteristics of pump, that should be operational amplifier. Okay, so then first one, input impedance. Input impedance, there should be a VI which is equal to infinity, because then ideal amp pump there should be no current flow to the amp pump. So that's why input impedance is very high. So then second, then output impedance, V which is equal to, then output impedance is very low. So most important, sometimes they should be asked in exams. Okay, then third one, an amp pump, it perform the mathematical operation. Mathematical operations. Then fourth point, then amp pump, it act as summing, there should be a add panla. Then another one is a differentiator, then another one is a integrator and competitor. So then fifth, this is the most, then it act as a symmetric, then square wave generator and pulse wave generator. Okay, so then last one, then CMMR is infinite. So we know that how to define CMMR, there should be a then AD by AC. AD is the differential mode gain, then common mode gain, then AD is equal to 1, then common mode gain is equal to 0. In the denominator 0 means there should be a no define, or we have to get infinite. Okay, then the screw rate is also infinite. So these are all some of the important points we have to remember while studying the characteristics of amp pump. So then upcoming classes we have to discuss about then what is meant by then summing, integrator, then competitor, and non-inverting amplifier. Okay, so thank you.